Good morning, class. Welcome to my class. I'm teacher Annalyn Bolante Valdoria. Before we start our day, let us all stand for a short prayer. Let us bow our head and feel the presence of Lord. Good day, grade 6 Lanzones. Yes. For checking of attendance, may I request the leader of each group to check the attendance. What is our subject today? Yes, English. Let us sing an English song. Before we proceed with our topic for today, let us have a short recap of what we have discussed yesterday. Does anyone remember? The topic yesterday was about sources of information. Sources of information. This is the sources of information. Very good. That's awesome. I have seen examples of print materials. All you have to do is to paste the photo or definition across the right column. Am I understood? Paste the picture and its definition, the right column where it belongs. What are you going to do with the pictures? Yeah, I will show you the pictures. What is this? This is, Kapamilya ABS-CBN Network. And what is this? Oh yes, very good. This is Mel Chanko. How about this one? What is this? Oh yes, very good. This is a news studio. And this one? Can you guess? Okay, yes, this is radio. Very good, class. And this is, oh yeah, you are very good, class. This is Kuya Kim. Okay. Now, let me lend your eyes and ears. Do you want to play a game? Who wants to join a game? Yes. The game is called Guess Me. Yes. And I need 5 volunteers to play with me. Are you familiar with the person or material you saw from the game? Oh, where do you usually see Mel Chanko? Yes, very good. Have you seen a radio? What is the radio used for? Yeah. Can we get information from this kind of material? How? Yes. How do you find the game? Yes. Did you enjoy the game? Yes, I am glad that you enjoyed the game. We paid for you. Are you familiar with the person or material you saw from the game? Yes. Okay, class. Where do you usually see Mel Tiangco? Yes, in the news TV. Have you seen a radio? Yes, you've seen a radio. Who is your favorite broadcast? Yes? Okay, yeah. The favorite broadcaster is Kuya Kim. Yeah. I have here broadcast materials. Look at the broadcast materials. A source of information transmitted through radio on television. Public service announcement, daily news, weather forecast, interviews, documentaries, comedies, movies, sports, and commercials. Advertisements are example of broadcast materials. What is the broadcast materials? Number 1, this is public service announcement. Public service announcement is a message shared with the general public that raise resources about an issue. Yes, class? And how about the weather forecast? The weather forecast is a simple scientific estimate of future weather condition. Okay? And number 3 is documentary. Documentary is a wide video examining or event or person based on facts that That word can also refer to anything involving documents. And number 4, what is that? Well, this is commercial or advertisement. Commercial or advertisement is on TV or radio, and it's selling something, we use commercial if it is on TV or on radio. It is simply providing information. And the next one is movie. What is movie? Movie is a form of entertainment that enacts a story by sound and sequence of images, giving the illusion of continuous movement. Also, giving entertainment to people. Okay, class, understood? What is broadcast materials? And how does information transmit? How does information transmit? Very good. Yes, please? Very good. Yes. Okay, class. Let's have a recitation of what we understood about the picture. Yeah. We have a recitation now. Directions. Reading carefully. Choose the letter of the correct answer. Answer only. Okay, number 1. The means of communication in which a product, brand, or service is promoted to a viewership in order to attract interest, engagements, and sales. Is it A, comedy, B, commercial, or C, daily news? What is the answer, class? Oh, yes, Johan? Oh, yes, very good. Letter B. It is a commercial. Yes, class. Very good. Do you understand? Okay. Let's do to another one. A film or video examining an event or person based on facts. Is it A, documentary, B, daily news, or C, comedies? What is the answer? Okay, Zachary, what is the answer? Yes, you're correct. Is it letter A? This is letter A, a documentary. Number 3, it contains news and information about current events that are interest to the general public. What it is? It is an interviews, it is a daily news, or documentaries. What is the answer? Can you give an answer, Dorothea? Yeah, the answer is letter B. Wow, very good. It is daily news, information about current events that are interest to the general public. This is daily news. Number 4, yes class, listen to me, listen. A scientific estimate of future weather condition. A, is it weather forecast? B, is it advertisement? C, is it sports? Again, a scientific estimate of future weather condition. What it is? Yes, Chody? What is your answer? Oh yeah, you're very good. The answer is letter A. It is a weather forecast. Very good, Chody. Yeah, and the last one, a message shared with the general public that raises awareness about an issue. Yeah, what is this? Is it letter A? Is it a movie? Is it letter B, daily news? Or is it letter C, public service announcement? Yes, Darrell, can you answer? What is the answer? Can you raise your hand? Yeah, okay, very good. The answer is letter C. It is a public service announcement, a message shared with the general public that raises awareness about an issue. Yes, class. Do you understand? Do you understand what I'm teaching to you today? Yeah, about the broadcast, about the broadcasting. Yeah, what is the broadcasting? What is the root word of broadcasting? Yeah, the root word is broadcast. Okay, class? Let's have an assignment. Draw which among type of broadcast information you like the most and cite the reasons why you like it. Yeah? Can you write in your notebook and do it in your house, okay? This is an assignment. Okay, I will tell you what is our class again. Broadcasting is about sharing stories that matter. Yes, class, you are so very good. Thank you very much. Thank you for listening. And this is me again. I'm teacher Annalyn Volante Valdoria. And goodbye. See you tomorrow, class.